Okay, today I'm going to apply tips to my trainer hand and I'm going to apply gel on afterwards. So I've already filed the corners to make them so they fit better than what they fit before. Use my nail trainer glue, and I put a little bit of glue in the well. I dab out any excess glue onto my paper towel. I hold my tip almost in a 90-degree angle till the natural nail meets the well on the inside of the tip, and then I rock it on. This should make it so there are no air bubbles. Hold it for about 10 seconds and then your tip should be stuck. I'm going to go ahead and apply glue again into the well of the next tip. Again, I take it and I remove any excess glue. Rock and hold. Now, any of that extra glue there that you see on top, I'm just going to kind of wipe it so it's got a better, less glue there to dry. Sorry, my cat likes to be in all of my videos. For some reason, she just never is quiet. I'm going to have to lock her outside next time. That would, be so nice, since she's an inside cat and she starts this at 5 o'clock in the morning. The tip is stuck. I'm going to take that, just kind of Rena. Apply the tip to the last nail. Okay, now that my tips have been applied, since I'm done with my glue, I want to burp the bottle to release any extra glue. I'm going to be applying gels onto these nails, so I don't want them so long. I want them in this length area. Okay, now that I've taken my tips down to the length of what I want them, I'm going to go in with a zebra file, and I'm just going to kind of trim the ends a little bit so that it's at the length and the shape that my client wants it. Again, going up the side walls to make sure that the side wall of your natural nail goes in the same angle as the tip, or your tip should go in the same angle as your natural nail. Doing this with each one. Sometimes nails do not want to stick. I find that my last two nails are the ones that give me the most problems. Again, with filing your side walls, making sure that your nail tip matches your nail grooves. Everything is straight, even. Again, just trimming in your edge, making sure that it's the style that your client wants, and length. Don't want to file too much off at this stage. You want to give yourself a little bit of room, because once you get your acrylic on there or your gel, you're going to want to probably file the edge a little bit more. Again, with your side walls, making sure that your side walls are even with your natural nail. Oh, glad my light caught that. Maybe that's why I shouldn't use my phone. Okay, now that the tips are at the length that my client wants, I'm going to go in and I am just going to buff out the seam line where my tip met the glue. I don't like that file. It's just easier sometimes to take these ones off because they continuously pop off anyway. Just lets me get what I need done faster than it would by continually popping that nail back into. Now that everything is all blended and I've taken all of the shine off of the tip, that one's ready to go. Seam line just doesn't want to buff out, but okay. Now that I have buffed out the seam lines and went over the tips, just take the extra dust off. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime the natural nail plate, sorry, to I'm going to use this gel prep residue remover. It's only for the trainer hand. Now, if it was a real client, you would use your Gentle Bond. And you just apply this to the natural nail plate. When that's dry, you would go ahead and you would apply your gel. That is going to be the end of this tip application video. Thank you for watching.